You don't need to quit Netflix, or music, or your phone. You just need to understand one thing. You're not addicted to the thing, you're addicted to the spike. And today, I'll show you how to hack your dopamine without giving up everything you love. Let's break your brain out of the loop. For good. Dopamine isn't evil. It's not some drug your brain is throwing around to ruin your life. Dopamine is motivation, movement, focus. It's what gets you out of bed. It's what makes you chase love, success, food, and yes, TikTok reels. But here's where it gets dangerous. When your brain gets constant unnatural highs, dopamine spikes, it starts to lower the baseline. Suddenly, real life feels boring. Studying? Useless. Reading? Meh. Work? Impossible. That's not laziness. That's a hijacked system. You've probably heard it before. Dopamine detox. Quit everything. Cold turkey. No phone. No music. No fun. Sounds noble, right? But here's the truth. Extreme restriction backfires. You feel miserable. You crack. And then you binge. Harder. It's not sustainable. It's not necessary. What you need isn't to erase dopamine. You need to rebalance it. And here's how. Let's introduce something called dopamine layering. It's simple. Instead of quitting dopamine-triggering habits, you stack them after a productive behavior. Example: want to scroll Instagram guilt-free? Do 20 minutes of deep work first. Then reward yourself. Love music? Play your playlist while doing a boring task like cleaning or planning. Your brain now links pleasure with effort. It's not a punishment, it's pairing. And pairing makes productivity feel good again. You don't need to quit your favorite things, but you do need to stretch the space between rewards. Imagine this. Instead of instantly opening YouTube after a stressful task, you wait 10 minutes. Just 10. You sit with the tension, the boredom. That gap is where your baseline starts rising. That's where you regain control. It's like training your mind to be okay with silence. And when you do, ordinary things start feeling extraordinary again. Suddenly, you'll notice this weird thing. That 10-minute walk? Peaceful. That 1 hour of focused work? Satisfying. That random conversation? Energizing. Because dopamine isn't gone, it's back in balance. You've reset your sensitivity. You didn't need to quit everything, you just needed a system. So don't delete the apps. Don't hate yourself for loving stimulation. Just flip the system. Let effort come first. Let pleasure follow. You'll be surprised how powerful it feels when you're in charge again. If this clicked for you, drop a reset in the comments. I'll reply with more dopamine hacks that actually work. Until then, remember, you don't need a new brain, just a new approach.